हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। की हाल चाल ਤੁਹਾਡੇ? यार कितनी ठंड बढ़ रही है और मुझे इतना आलस आ रहा है कि ना मैं वॉक पे ना जॉगिंग पे कहीं घूमने नहीं जा पा रही। पर यार आलस को रखो दूर और हो जाओ तैयार इस चिली वेदर मॉर्निंग के लिए। तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ मेरे वार्डरोब में मेरी 5 फेवरेट जैकेट्स जो मैं विंटर में आपको जरूर रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आपके पास होनी चाहिए। एंड आई बिलीव जो भी वुमेन्स इन जैकेट्स को एक बार देखेंगी वो जरूर लेना चाहेंगी, जिसके लिंक्स मैं शेयर करूंगी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में। So guys, today I'm wearing this black top with blue jeans, जिसके साथ मैं आपको डिफरेंट जैकेट्स ट्राई करके दिखाऊंगी एंड आई फील दिस बेसिक आउटफिट आप सबके पास होगा ही। So my first jacket that is very near and dear to me is this blue denim jacket. This denim jacket I feel is evergreen and lasts forever. The best part is you can wear it for a party look, for a college look, or if you are going out with your friends, you can easily wear it. So now I'll show you how you will look once you wear this jacket. And I feel it will completely change your look once you try it. So here I'm wearing this jacket and I feel I look super classy and it is very casual. And you can try this jacket and it is available in different colors and patterns online. Second is my favorite leather jacket that I searched all the way in the town but I finally found on Amazon. This is my leather jacket and I love the color. So I purchased it from Amazon. This jacket looks super classy once you wear it. It gives you a smart look and plus it comes with a hoodie. You can wear it like this. How am I looking? This jacket makes me super classy and I feel I look attractive in this color. So guys, you can wear this jacket if you are going outside या फिर आप किसी हिल स्टेशन पर जा रहे हैं तब भी आप इस जैकेट को कैरी कर सकते हैं। Apart from this, when we talk about leather jacket, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर different variations और patterns available हैं। ये जैकेट्स टीनेजर्स एंड यूथ में काफी पॉपुलर है। ये जैकेट आप पहन सकते हैं अगर आप बाइक राइडिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं या फिर आप कॉलेज में भी आराम से इसको कैरी कर सकते हैं। So next I have my black solid puffer jacket. This jacket I can wear in दिल्ली की सर्दी to मनाली की बर्फीली हवाओं में भी. So let's try it. This is my solid black puffer jacket. This jacket I recently purchased from Amazon. This jacket comes in full sleeves and a hood. Plus you can see these 2 pockets, which makes it super classy. These are ziplock pockets. This fabric is polyester and it can be easily home washed. You can try this jacket with a small dress or a long dress as per your choice. Plus this jacket comes in different colors, different patterns online. Next on my list is all-time favorite and very popular bomber jacket. Bomber jackets are famous among youth, teenagers and ladies. Even Bollywood celebrities are wearing these bomber jackets with any outfit. So let me show you my bomber jacket, which is in olive color. This jacket gives you an amazing look and you can see how you will look after wearing this jacket. You can try this jacket for a formal look, for official purpose, or if you are going out for your daily activity, you can wear this jacket. This jacket comes in different colors and patterns online, but it is you who will decide which color and design will go on you. Finally, New Year is on the way and you want to look special and most beautiful in the party. So here I have red hot party jacket that I'm going to wear. This jacket is very comfortable and lightweight. It gives you a classy look. It has 2 pockets. Plus, at the back you can see this adjustable elastic which will give you a shape as per your body with a feather collar. This jacket can be worn with a short party dress or a long evening gown. As you know, red hot is the color that everyone loves. With this jacket, I can say that I look hot and sexy. So ये थी मेरी 5 favorite jackets from my wardrobe that you too can have in your wardrobe. I'm sharing the links in the description below. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can share the comments in the section below with which jacket you like the most and the product that you want to see in the future. So guys, मिलते हैं नए साल में with new products, new talks and बहुत सारी नई बातें. Till then, Tata, bye bye. Happy New Year in advance.